SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition now offers out-of-the-box integration with SAP Field Service Management for maintenance orders. Starting in SAP Cloud ERP, I create the maintenance order, then release it and set the status to ready for scheduling. From there, it will be automatically picked up in SAP Field Service Management for dispatching and execution. Now from the dispatcher point of view, I can see the order ID coming from Cloud ERP. I simply drag and drop it onto a technician's schedule, then release the assignment. Now switching to the technician. For demo purposes, I'll capture time efforts, expenses, and material consumption directly in the mobile app as the work is completed. Then I'll show how these updates flow back to the back office for review and approvals, and how they're subsequently posted and reflected in Cloud ERP. In the back office, in the Time and Material Journal, I review the open items and approve them before they post to ERP and impact costs. Finally, navigating back to the maintenance order in Cloud ERP, and I open the Cost tab. Here I can compare the detailed actual cost breakdown against the planned costs, along with access to the full document flow, from the initial notification and work order, through the operation goods issue for parts consumption, and the recorded time confirmations.